What's going on, guys? This is my 22 Ram. I'm going to be installing some fog lights right in here from Rough Country. Took out the panel from right here and the upper panel right here. So next is to take this off and get this grill out. Let's keep moving. So this is what I added. I got a fog light here, and my 3 amber lights. Taking this one in off, just add that in there. It's gonna be well worth it. Let's get it.